Yeah, I like to bring you lots of videos, and I want to bring you what we've come across this morning. So what we have here, we have chippings on top. They've had a new conservatory built and there's chippings along there, and the idea of that obviously is to let the water run away like a French drain. But as you can see, if I expose this now, there we are. Basically, that's the chippings the builders have put in. And along here, you can see, if you come back over here, Ben, and look this way for our viewers, let's just take our time with this now. You can see where I've dug it out. There was soil right the way up here, okay, all the way up. There's the foundation on the new conservatory, and you can see, if you get down, you'll be able to have a look across now. It's so important that we try and show our viewers this. You can see all the greening, okay? It's below damp course, granted, but the last thing you want is greening is indicative of moisture retention. It's as simple as that, moisture retention. And the reason for that, because the soil was all the way up here, and it wasn't, and there was just like a little bit, a small brief of chippings on the top. It wasn't getting away, it wasn't doing nothing, it was holding. But what they've attempted to do here, they've attempted to put a Landdrain pipe in, okay? And it's a poor account of a Landdrain pipe. And as you can see, this is not what I've done. There's mud all in the end of it, okay? What's going to happen, the water's going to come down, and eventually it's going to erode that soil, and it's going to go down in that pipe, and eventually it's going to silt up along the bottom, and sooner than later it's going to block. The water's not going to get away, it's going to back up, your brickwork's going to get damp, and then because that brickwork is exposed, those two courses below damp course is exposed to the air, it's going to freeze, it's going to start frosting, and then you're going to have that expansion effect of the bricks, and it's going to start blowing off all the face work of the brickwork, possibly, okay, but it will have a detrimental effect. The other thing, of course, is they've put this Landdrain pipe in and they've wrapped the pipe, which is, it's okay to wrap a pipe, but preferably when you dig your trench for your Landdrain pipe, you want to be putting a membrane round the perimeter of the trench. You put your pipe in on some bedding, and then you backfill with pipe bedding, and then you wrap your membrane over the top, and that's called a sandwich or a wrap. It works perfectly. And the other thing, of course, you need to do when you're using an aggregate for pipe bedding, you should be using a pea gravel, because pea gravel is round and it's river eroded or water hydro eroded pebbles, so it's nice and round and the water will run through, rather than putting limestone, which is angular, and in some cases I've seen slate. That's about it now. If you want to follow us on YouTube, just subscribe at the end of the video, or if you need any information or any help with any projects you're actually doing, give us a ring on 01633 896 007, or you can just email me on info@greentoplandscapes.co.uk. That's it for now. See you soon.